If your Firefox browser is running slowly, signing you out of websites, or showing outdated page information, clearing your cookies can help. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear cookies in Firefox in just a few simple steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, you'll see the menu button with three horizontal lines. Click that menu button to open the main Firefox menu. From the list of options, hover over or click History. This will open the history-related menu where you'll find tools for managing your recent browsing activity. Now, click Clear Recent History. A new window will pop up with options for removing browsing data. This is where you can choose exactly what you want to delete, so take a moment to make sure the settings are correct. At the top of the window, look for the Time Range to Clear dropdown. Click it and set it to everything. This makes sure Firefox removes all cookies and site data instead of just the most recent ones. Next, look through the list of items you can clear. Check cookies and site data and make sure you uncheck all the other options. That way, you're only deleting cookies and site data without removing things you may want to keep, like browsing history or cached files. Once you've confirmed that only cookies and site data are selected, click the Clear button. Firefox will begin removing the cookies from your browser. Depending on how much data is stored, this may take just a few seconds. When it's finished, your cookies will be cleared and you may be signed out of some websites. That's completely normal because cookies are what help websites remember your login sessions and preferences. And that's it. You've now successfully cleared cookies in Firefox. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful browser tutorials, computer tips, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.